Hi guys, this is Taylor with Valleyscape. I'm on a property in Temecula today. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of trees. They are an small apple grove, and there's about 250 trees. All of that is serviced by one 1-inch sprinkler valve. I'm doing this video because we ran into something unique that we had never seen before, and so the flow rate to properly water that is really high. It's about 50 gallons per minute, which is more than can even fit through that valve. So we installed a Rachio flow sensor, the wireless flow sensor, and it's not registering any flow on that zone. So this is a helpful video because if you ever run into that, you've got one of two things: a low flow situation or a high flow situation. So it's important for the zone to actually pressurize and completely pressurize, and this zone is not able to do that because it's trying to flow so much. It's just like it's an open pipe. The flow sensor that Rachio makes will not register flow at that rate. It needs to fully pressurize and complete that pressure, and then it'll have a true flow rating. So if you run into that situation with just one zone that won't show flow on it and everything seems to be right, that's the reason. It's probably too high a flow, or it's extremely low, below a half a gallon per minute. So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask and I will answer them as I can. Thank you for watching.